कभी आपने सोचा है कि अपनी दलाल स्ट्रीट का वॉरेन बुफे कौन है और उसकी कहानी क्या है? लोग उन्हें डॉन कहते हैं और शहंशाह भी। He is among the top 50 richest Indians today and he is known as Warren Buffett of India. He needs no introduction, none other than Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Born in a middle-class family, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started his journey with a meager amount of rupees 5,000. He was still studying in college then. Today, his portfolio worth is staggering rupees 25,000 crores. And his net worth, hold your breath my dear friends, is rupees 40,000 crore rupees. ये एक कोइंसिडेंस कह लीजिए दैट यहाँ भी सफलता के पीछे चाय का ही हाथ है. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala tasted the success of stock market in the year 1986 when he bought the shares of Tata Tea at rupees 43. 3 months later, he sold these shares for rupees 143 and उसके बाद शेयर मार्केट के इस डॉन ने कभी भी पलट कर नहीं देखा. Born in Mumbai on 5th July, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's father was an income tax officer who encouraged him to start investing in share market and then stay invested. Listening to his father, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started his journey. In 1987, he married Rekha, and after that he started his enterprise known as Rare Enterprise, which is taken from the alphabets of both Rakesh and Rekha, that is Rare Enterprises. पापा का नाम किया, पत्नी को प्यार दिया और शेयर बाजार को जैसे अपने नाम कर लिया. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala today has holdings in about 37 companies. सही समय पे सही माल उठाने की बुद्धि इस दलाल स्ट्रीट शहंशाह की हमेशा से ही थी. He has been quoted as saying that he had made massive investment last year in April when market was at its lowest and pandemic was at its peak. If you look at Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio from June this year, his portfolio has been quite impressive. He holds 4.8% stake in Titan and 5.5% in CRISIL. His share in Tata Motors is worth rupees 1200 crores and in Lupin 8555 crore rupees and also in Fortis Healthcare worth rupees 800 crores. His recent buys include SAIL, India Bulls Housing Finance, Federal Bank and Edelweiss Finance. In all of these 9 companies, he holds shares worth rupees 700 crore each. The lover of Chinese food and also the producer of Hindi Bollywood movie English to English is also bullish on State Bank, Canara Bank and also JSW Steel and also Sun Pharma. And of course, he is most bullish on his own venture Aksa. अगर वो इन शेयर्स पे बुलिश है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए, समझे कि नहीं? बाजार में जुनून उम्र की सारी सीमा पार करवा देता है और इसका एक जीता जादा एग्जाम्पल है राधा कृष्ण दमानी. He is the 4th richest Indian and also he has a net worth of rupees $16 billion. The 66-year-old veteran is a retail tycoon and owns a chain known as D-Mart, whose IPO was launched in 2017 and made people rich and millionaire overnight. Radhakishan Damani started investing at a young age of 32 and he holds shares in various companies across different sectors. Here's a look at Radhakishan Damani's portfolio. His own stake is highest in his own company, that is the Avenue Supermarkets, which is 75% worth rupees 21,000 crores. And also, he owns 30% odd stake in VST Industries and 12% stake in India Cements. His portfolio also includes companies like Aptech, 3M, Sundaram Finance, Blue Dart, United Breweries, Trent, Kaya, Metropolis Healthcare and also Sun Pharma. इनकी भी rags to riches की कहानी है. Damani was born in a Marwadi family and he lived in a single room in Mumbai. He was pursuing graduation from University of Mumbai, but he soon dropped out his education after first year. His father also worked at Dalal Street. But after his father's death, Damani left his ball-bearing business and became a stock market broker and investor. अजब बाजार की गजब कहानियां हैं। किसी सुने हुए नाम को डुबा देता है तो किसी अनसुने को रातों रात उछाल देता है। One such name is Porinju Veliat. He is today one of the top stock market investors. He hails from a humble family in Kerala. He is also known as the master of small cap stocks. Known as the master of small cap stocks, Porinju Veliat started his journey as a floor trader with Kotak Securities in the year 1990. He then joined as a fund manager with Parag Parikh Securities and worked there till 1999. There is where he honed his buying and selling skills. At the dawn of the century, Veliat moved back to Kochi in the year 2002 and started his own portfolio management service firm known as Equity Intelligence. पोरिंजू की खासियत है कोयले में से हीरा तराशने की, इसलिए तो वो स्मॉल कैप के बादशाह कहलाते हैं। He started investing in small cap stocks at a very early stage in his career. He is also known as small cap value investor and he has made millions by investing in multi-bagger stocks at a very early age. His investment includes Shreyas Shipping, KRBL and T-Tex Garments. पोरिंजू वेलियत का पहला प्यार सुकून है अब. That is why he prefers to work from his farmhouse where he was born. Probably it is the peace and tranquility at that place which allows him to give a whopping 33% return to his investor and his clients year on year since 2003. The portfolio of Porinju Veliat includes a single-digit stake in various companies like Eastern Threads, Praxis Home Retail, Ansel Buildwell, Duropla Industry, Digi Content, Archies and Orient Bell. Porinju is a self-confessed nature lover and his organic farming spreads across hundreds of acres. He also has a massive pond in his farm with spring water running through it. The list of billionaires will be incomplete by mentioning this one name, who is among one of the top most stock investors in India, Vijay Kedia. Hailing from a Marwadi family, Kedia realized his passion for stock market at the age of 14, but he started investing at the age of 19. It is when his father died that Kedia started investing in stock market. The family business of broking no longer interested him, and he found it very boring and it was not his cup of tea. It is then when he moved to Mumbai and identified his three stocks in the year 2004, which are Atul Auto, Aegis Logistics and Sira Sanitary Ware. These three stocks grew up by 100 times over a period of 10 years. केडिया के मार्केट सेंस का बाजार लोहा मानता है. He predicted a bull run in 2012. केडिया बिलीव करते हैं एक मुस्कुराहट में जो कि पैसा बरसाती है. He believes in smile principle, that is, small in size, medium in experience and large in aspiration. His portfolio includes over 10% stake in each of these companies, which are Innovators Facade System, Affordable Robotics and Automation, and also Lycus Limited. His portfolio also includes sizable stake in various companies like Tejas Network, Ramco System, Atul Auto, Sudarshan Chemical, and also Panasonic Energy. His company, Kedia Securities, has a net worth close to rupees 1,000 crores, and his formula to success is to stay invested and also never to forget the fundamentals of a good company, its promoters and their visions. ये सभी शहंशाह आपको एक कॉमन मैसेज देते हैं कि सब्र और मेहनत मुनाफे का पिटारा है. So this was the end of our today's video. I hope you find this video useful. If you liked our video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. Till then, Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.